Hey guys, so thankful that you guys are here this morning to join us on this project.
Thank you.
Ryan is really excited. We just spent the last hour looking for Ryan's phone and now we're good to go.
It wasn't my phone, it was someone else's.
Well, what are we gonna do today, Ryan?
Today, we're gonna take this bed off.
Ooh.
The front clip.
Nice.
And the motor and transmission.
We think.
Ah.
All right, well, let's get to it.
Let's do it. Yep.
They're all off?
Yep.
Now can I say it?
Yep.
Man, that was really easy. It was very unexpected.
Easy.
Could this potentially be an omen of our future?
Easy.
Could this possibly be an indication of how easy this job will be from here on out?
Was it your finger that got crushed? It's fine, easy for me because I'm covered in
All I
filth.
do is put this on here and hit the button.
I did everything else, like usual. Let's go.
Well, that wasn't too bad, Ryan.
That was the easy part.
So what's next?
The front clip.
All right, let's get to the front clip.
Do it.
And there you go, folks. 2 inner fenders out. Ryan and I were just talking about these headlights. Can they be any more complicated? Can there be any more things you have to take off just to get the headlights out?
Over engineering.
Are we not happy that they changed how they do them on the new F-150s?
No,
It's literally 3 bolts and they pop out, right? Is that what it was?
That's how long it's been recording.
Holy smokes, this is like the most complex thing from 1995 I've ever seen.
So if you know any of the engineers from Ford that worked there back in the 90s, can you give us their personal addresses so we can go egg their houses?
Pretty unbelievable, really, how this all came apart.
Extremely over-engineered.
Yeah, and can we just be honest? When we pulled the lights off, we did have to break them to get them off.
Yeah, we had to break that whole
I don't even know.
shroud.
I've been looking at the lights, Ryan, since we pulled them off.
Since you broke them?
Since we broke them.
Since you broke them?
Since we.
My side was fine.
And anyway, I looked at them, and I still don't know how they come apart correctly.
Magic.
I don't know. I'm assuming breaking them is not the proper way.
Definitely. Let's put this in the pile and all right, get this engine out. Hold it back. Woo! All right, guys.
I'm a little tired, Ryan.
The bed was easy.
That was really easy.
Yeah, it was that front clip. Not so much.
That's right. Well, we are gonna take a little break. We're gonna come back here in just a couple seconds and pull this engine out,
In
right?
YouTube land, it's just gonna be like a millisecond.
Right? Right?
What's up, guys? We are back on the old F-150 build.
That isn't what we're calling it. Are we gonna start actually calling it the new name when it's done? Wait. Are we gonna call it the new name when we're
let
done?
our fans decide.
Well, we already decided we're not doing any of that.
It can't be called the Jammer Yodi yet because it doesn't have the Yodi.
Oh.
So right now it's just the OBS Ford.
Oh, okay. So
Old
it is
light
going to
shop.
transform at some point in time.
Literally, we will be
So
transforming.
when we put the front end in it and we drop the new engine on the frame,
and the 4-link in the rear.
then we'll start calling it?
Not until the engine and transmission.
So the whole entire time we threw this name out,
Yep.
and we're not even going to call it that.
It's not the Jammer Yodi yet.
I'm going to call it the Jammeroni.
It can't be.
All right,
Until then,
we're going to pull this engine out today, hopefully. We don't have a whole lot of time. The sun is going down, so we're going to hustle really fast. Ryan and I are both going to work on the front. We're going to pull the radiators off, the intake, a lot of these wires, try to get this wiring harness out of the way, and try to get this engine and tranny out. Ready?
let's do it.
Let's do it, bro.
is holy rusted metal Batman.
Holy cow. Well, this thing is out.
It's like you can dance on it now.
Oh my gosh.
You can dance if you want to.
Ryan!
Maybe not. Maybe we shouldn't do that. I kind of messed everything up. But yeah, for the most part, it's good, guys. So we got the front clip off. We got the engine and transmission off. I feel like it's like a wild dog, and it just keeps moving all over the place.
It's making me really nervous, to be honest.
If anyone wants a 4.9 300 inline six with the automatic rear automatic transmission all attached, we'll sell you the whole thing for $600. Come and get it. We'll lift it in the back of your truck.
It's ready to go.
But what do you think?
It's getting dark.
It is.
I am the greasiest and grimiest that I've been in a long time.
Welcome to my world.
And it's all for you guys, right? All for our fans.
Notice he has gloves on.
I'm wearing gloves simply so my hands don't get dirty.
Because he's soft. Because he's soft.
I don't know. I got keyboard fingers, man. I gotta keep them in good shape.
Let's be honest, guys. The beautificator.
Stop touching me. Anyway, well, thanks you guys for watching so much. We really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. The bell really, really helps us.
Yes, it does.
Watch all of our videos. We have a ton of videos now. 53, I think, is what we're up to, right?
53. And we're going to keep dropping more weird ones.
Yeah, no, we wanted to tell you guys about that. We are trying, we always have these little clips left over.
Like goofball clips.
Yeah, and so we've just kind of been dropping those as like 2 to 4 minute videos. And we put them in a playlist called
Just Messing Really, which is what JMR stands for.
Just
Messing Really. Two guys just messing.
So Just Messing Really, I think I added on there behind the scenes. So check out those videos. They're just definitely a lot of random stuff. But this is definitely part of the series.
Yes.
Of the Jammerody.
And on that note, we'll see you next time. Generation!